Na driver and vehicle licensing authority mpanimfo ene de ahyenkafo ene wo ma ka bi ewo mu wa kwantio mu afa entity ahodom ne titu ene registration foforo yi a yesi afefoforo mu eba be ye adwuma no odo won mu afamu sade etie ene so emfaso.
Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority Trinity DVLA ene adencheche bia kwama stakeholders awon mo Ahafo mantam mu a wenyina efa new vehicle registration a eba be hyase efi afempenu ne dwenu nsia no emo wodwumidi hihye so ewo go so ena Deputy Chief Executive Officer in charge of services for DVLA Pastor Santi editor Adom Kasee mani boni ene mu say
yempese ebeye obia something like a surprise. So, car number plates and find so one consult here. We did not know of this rollout. Engaging with them, questions have been asked. I must take clarifications. They have made very, very positive criticisms. I put into our implementation process. The new number plates now, Premtobre Kasee, it has enhanced security features. Yeah, old plates now, you need any security or any enhanced security features. Be a immediate tracking and ID tracing in case of any offense car not committed on the road. But with the new number plates, we have introduced more enhanced features. We security borders on security in Timem Pese Medebeto.
Asana mashaw na fe manodon kwa wono we pie sancheche asene Adom Kasee mani boni che sansem we say
ebeboa because ede ban bo bebe ye na ye wo car ne ye ne nan kwanche no se obi fa wo car anaso obi di car kodi bone a kwan ya ombe fa so ache ne nioma amanfo de car ya ye hwehwe car kora ye hu no.
Deputy CEO ene ababekan ye bompa ese de omosi aka asem no bibia betumi abem pepepe se ne omoye no